Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Wallet for your driver's license. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus icon, and choose Driver's License or State ID. You'll then scan your physical license and take a quick selfie for secure verification. This process typically takes just a few minutes to complete, ensuring your digital ID is ready for use. Your digital driver's license in Apple Wallet is currently accepted at specific TSA checkpoints in a growing number of states. It's crucial to check Apple's official website or your local Department of Motor Vehicles for the most current list of participating locations. While convenient, it's always a good idea to keep your physical license handy as a backup, especially when traveling across state lines or internationally. Presenting your digital ID is straightforward. When asked, simply hold your iPhone near the identity reader. Your device will then show you exactly what information is being requested and shared. You'll authorize this sharing using Face ID or Touch ID, ensuring only you can access and transmit your data. This secure method means only the essential details are provided, protecting your privacy with every use. Security and privacy are paramount with your digital driver's license. It's fully encrypted and protected by your device's biometric authentication, either Face ID or Touch ID. Apple ensures your privacy by not tracking when or where you present your ID. Furthermore, only the specific information required for verification is shared. If your iPhone is ever lost, you can easily remove your digital ID remotely using the Find My feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.